Hello there, beautiful people. Today we are taking a look at the 111 Skin Space Difference Bright Eye Lift Gel, 0.5 ounces. Lift gel reduces dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines, and it stimulates collagen production and protects from pollution and hydration. A little bit about this product. The skin around the eyes is the most sensitive area of the face. Soothing eye gel reduces the appearance of dark circles, minimises puffiness, softness softens the appearance of fine lines while keeping the eye area hydrated. Lifting gel reduces dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, stimulates collagen production, protects against environmental pollution, intense hydration for deep wrinkles, paraben, paraffin, silicone, and sulphate free. Each 111 skin product contains a unique NAC Y2 formula, a potent trio of peptides and antioxidants proven to delay aging and also stimulate the body's natural repair systems. In a mess-free container means you can apply your product without having to worry cleaning up after yourself. This means you can spend more time pampering and less worrying. Stay beautiful with our range of luxurious products developed by the renowned plastic surgeon Dr. Yanis Alexandrides in collaboration with space scientists. 111 Skin combines medical expertise with clinical proven ingredients to target signs of aging and protect the skin from environmental damage. So this is a pretty hardy cream, and it's not exactly cheap. I'm going to squeeze some onto my hand right now. So, I got some on my hand here. And it's just a clear gel. And what I always found or was told was to always use your weakest finger, which is your ring finger on your right hand, or if you're left-handed, it would be on your left hand. You would just tap in, and it's really moisturizing. It smells heavenly. I don't know what the smell is exactly, but it smells really, really wonderful. You can just tell how moisturized my skin is right now on my hand. It's just, yeah, I am a fan. This is really great. Like I said, not the cheapest of products, but if you really want to keep your eyes from getting under eye wrinkles, you have to take care of your eyes, and you got to spend money to do that, because you can never reverse damage. You can only prevent it. So it's best to pay up front for beautiful skin when you're young than trying to reverse it when you get older. Should I reveal my age? I'm 37, and I've under eye cream for about 20 years. So I started when I was 17, and I don't have any wrinkles under my eyes. So if that's not enough impetus to take care of your under eye skin, I don't know what is. So this 111 Skin Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel, I highly recommend. Just because of price, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5 because it is a little expensive. It's not as expensive as La Mer products, but it is up there. So give it a 4 out of 5, and like I always say, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself and see if you like it. And thanks so much for watching.